Okay, hey everybody, today we're going to be changing the lights inside of my 2009 Mazda 3i. Right now they're just normal yellow. Nothing's wrong with it. We're going to take the whole assembly out and I'll show you how to do that. There is a clip here and a clip here. So, we're going to be putting pink LED lights in. So, the package I bought came with a little pry bar. I do not suggest using a screwdriver. You can, but it's not the most recommended tool to use. Hear that clip? There we go. So once you get one clip, the other side will come down. Pretty easy. And if you want to remove the whole assembly, just detach this cord by pushing that clip. There's nothing wrong with the assembly, so we're not going to worry about that. But we are going to spin this counterclockwise, pull it out. There we go. Okay, so now, see if we can get the other one out real quick. So I'm going to show you on camera. Okay, I can't pull either one of them out. I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we got the bulb out, we got our piece here, and we got our LED. You want to push it in there, make sure it's nice and snug. Now this can go on two ways, and what it is this little groove right here that it locks in. It can either lock in on the top or the bottom. Now if it locks in on the top and the light doesn't come on, you just take it back out, spin it where the lock locks on the bottom, and then it should work. I'll show you real quick. It works instantly. Alright. Okay. No light. Spin it out. Okay, so put my bulb in there, then I'm going to spin it where it's going to lock the other way this time. There. So you just gotta spin it. Like I said, it only has two locks, one on this side, one on this side. You just gotta get it to lock in on the right side, because that little metal piece has to connect to the right. So that's, one's a positive, one's a negative. So you just gotta make sure it's connected properly, and you'll be good. So let's see if we can get this in it real quick. See if this one wants to work with us. There we go. Okay, so we're going to push it back in. That's how you change the front interior lights to a 2009 Mazda 3. Hope this video helped, and I will see you all next time.